Hey everyone, my name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to feature Pampered Chef's brand new adjustable zester. I love this product for several reasons. So I'm going to zoom in and show this to you up close and show you a variety of things that you can use this for. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the new adjustable zester. It has a single button on the back. All you're going to do is pull down on the button and open the zester. Now it can be used upright like this on top of a cutting board, or you can use it over a platter or a pan holding it this way. So for today, I'm going to use this in the open position here, propped up on my cutting board. It does come with a little guard to protect that blade, and it has a little slider that goes right up. So if you wanted to put food into the little hopper, you can do that and then slide up and down. So the first product, food item that I want to feature today is ginger root. So of course you can use ground ginger in your recipes, but anytime you can use fresh ginger, it's going to make the flavors more intense and just better overall. So when I go to the store, a couple of ways that you can buy ginger. You can buy it prepackaged like this. I got this at Aldi. Some grocery stores will sell this by the pound, and you can just break off what you need in the store. It would take a really long time for me to use all of this ginger. So I'm going to show you what I would do when I purchase this like this. So of course, if I can buy it by the pound, I usually just buy a small amount. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna break these into smaller pieces, because you can freeze this and it will stay fresh for a really long time. So break these into smaller pieces, and then you can put these in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna keep out, let's see, I'll just keep out one small piece here, maybe two. So we're gonna put these in the bag like this, and then put them in the freezer, and anytime I need to get some fresh ginger, I can just grab one of these little pieces out of the freezer, and if I don't use it all, I can just put it right back in the bag and refreeze it. So what I want to show you is a couple of ways that you can peel your ginger. So you can use Pampered Chef's serrated peeler, and this is now available in a different color. It comes with a set of 3. But you can actually just peel this just like this, and a regular vegetable peeler might be a little bit more difficult to use on this, because you really need that, the peeler with all the little tiny teeth. So this is the serrated peeler. Now what I'm gonna do is just grate off all of the peel from just part of it, because I'm probably not gonna use all of this at one time anyways. So I can just put what I'm not using back in the freezer. Another way that you can, I'll just use the same one. This one's kind of small. Another way that you can peel ginger is just to scrape the peel off with a spoon. So you see how I can just rub that and rub it off. So if you don't have a serrated peeler, that's another option. Now, what I want to show you, I'm actually going to just cut a small piece of this ginger, and there's a tiny little piece of peel on there. So you want to make sure you get all that off. And I'm going to put it inside of this little hopper right here. So you just put this right in, and then put the little food pusher on the top, and you're going to press and slide, and check out how quick I can shred all of that ginger. So let me open this up so that you can see, and there's just a little tiny piece left, but check that out. So let me rinse this off so I can show you guys how much ginger. You can just take your spoon and scrape it off. And so if you needed to measure it, that's a really easy way to do it. If you're just kind of winging it, which is what I tend to do, you can always just tap it off, and it's going to tap off whatever's on the grater. Now, that's just one idea for how you can use this zester. Now, I'm gonna show you a variety of things. I'm not gonna wash this in between. All of this is just gonna go in the garbage when I'm done, so it doesn't matter if I've grate one thing and then go right into the other. Just kind of focus on the purpose here rather than what foods I'm using. So garlic, a lot of recipes that call for fresh ginger are gonna call for fresh garlic, and of course you wouldn't need to rinse it off in between. I'm gonna put a clove of garlic inside of this little silicone tube. This is a garlic peeler. I'm gonna press down and just roll. Maybe you can hear it rubs that paper skin right off of the garlic, and so really easy to peel that. I'm gonna slide this little food holder up again, put that piece of garlic in there. Same thing that we did with the ginger. Just rub, 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 and check out all of this garlic. Awesome, right? So I've showed you ginger and garlic. You can also use this for zesting citrus fruit. So I've just got a lime here. What you're gonna do is you just rub this back and forth, up and down, and you're able to get all of the zest. And when you see the white part of your citrus fruit, you actually want to stop zesting because that's pretty bitter. So again, you can tap it off, or you can take a spoon or a scraper and you can scrape it off. So we've got garlic, ginger, lime zest, and then I am gonna rinse this off just a second because I'm gonna just use my block of cheese right on here. I don't want it to have any flavors of the other food. So you can also use this for grating fresh Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna show you that. So I've got just a small block of Parmesan cheese. You can just rub this, and I'm gonna just show you a little bit of that. I don't wanna waste any cheese. I feel like that's a sin. So put this Parmesan back in the bag, and that'll go back in the refrigerator. Same thing, you can just scrape off any that sticks on the back. One more thing I wanna show you guys. This would not go well with any of the other things that I've already shredded here, but I'm gonna take some chocolate chips. So let's say you wanna garnish a dessert. You can just fill this little food holder right here with chocolate chips, put your little food pusher on, and look at this. Zest, basically turning this into just a powder. That would look great right on top of cupcakes, regular cakes. You can use it on pies, lots of different things that you can do with this. So this is the new adjustable zester from Pampered Chef, and I'm excited to help you add this to your kitchen. If you're not already a member of my recipe community, I hope that you'll join me there. You can find it at theflipflopchef.com, and I have thousands of recipes, and I have a giveaway every single Friday. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.